Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree to hunt for more fun new arrivals, and I found some new home decor that's $125 and $150 for every single day. But first, I have to highlight all of the new Valentine's arrivals that I'm so excited to see. And the first thing I saw was this recordable greeting tape. You guys, these things went super viral last year, and it looks like they're on the same path this year. So make sure you get to your Dollar Trees early to grab you one of these. I also saw this. Now, this is a 1-ounce pump bottle. This is something I don't think I've ever seen before at Dollar Tree in Valentine's Day. So they do have two colors you can get it. You can get it with a pink band, or you can get it like in a dark raspberry colored band as well. But these are the only two colors that I spotted at my store. I also saw these. So these are 52 things to do to get to know each other. It comes in a little plastic heart case. You guys, one thing for every week. I think that's really fun. Now, this is another item. These zippered pouches, you can get them in XOXO, Hugs and Kisses, in red, and you can also get them in pink, and these say love in those college type letters. Now, all of the things in Valentine's basic is $150 this year. Now, here's another item, this shaker bottle. Now, they had them in two shades of pink with an iridescent finish. You guys, this is something that can be used all year round, not necessarily for Valentine's Day, so you can go ahead and grab one of these. Another $150 item is this. This is really cute. It's a pedicure set with little hearts on it. It does come with 3 pieces in the package. You can also get a 2-piece manicure set with a file and a clipper, and you can see it has that little bling on there. So that's another item that would be great for a gift basket. Now, these little brushes, they have come back. I'm so glad to see them back because they're really full. So you could see the bristles on the little brush. They come in different colors, and the brush is shaped like a rose. It's a nice, generous size. Again, these are just $1.50 with the Valentine's items. If you're looking for a scalp massager, they do have them in pink and red, so you could choose one or even both. I did find this as well, which was interesting. This is a strawberry shortcake sugar lip scrub. I don't think I've seen this before, but they just brought it out with Valentine's items. And of course, these trees, I love these trees. They come back every year. They're just as gorgeous as they were before. Some more $1.50 items that have come back is this little teddy bear and the balloon stack. You guys, these are motion activated and they do take batteries. So if you're looking for this and missed out on it last year, definitely check it out for $1.50. They also had lots of wall decor. Look at these little banners. I've seen something similar in the past, but it looks like every year they change it up. These are also $1.50. Now, if you're looking for some different wall signs like these, they had these as well. And these actually feature like a mason jar theme with all kinds of little banners on them. If you're decorating for Valentine's Day, definitely check those out. Now, my favorites are these with the laser cut words shaped like a house. Those are actually really nice. If you're into metal decor, they do have these little trucks as well. So you can get the trucks with the hearts, or you could get the gnome with the little Hugs and Kisses heart as well. Again, these items are $1.50. For the stuffed goodies, they had a bunch of them this year. They have the weighted animals. These all are beaded and have weights in them. They had them in all kinds of different styles this year. Great to put in a basket or give as a gift. And if you're making your own gifts, check out all of the really pretty ribbon that they have. So they have regular ribbon, wired ribbon. They even have some deco mesh. They have the regular ribbon rolls and all kinds of solids and prints. So check those out for $1.50 as well. The beaded hearts have returned. I'm so excited for this. They did have them in red and natural. And I believe in years prior they did have pink, but I have not seen them yet this year. And check out these little cups that I found in the Valentine's Day area. These are really cute. So what I love about these cups is they have an ice cream cone theme or a donut top theme, but the lids actually screw on so they stay nice and secure. and they do come with a straw. So I saw 4 different styles of these cups. Great for yourself, give as a gift, or even for the littles. I just love the little decoration on these. Check out the little ice cream cone with the little sprinkles on it. That's really cute for Valentine's Day or even summer. Now these right here I think are not going to last. These cups with the lid are really nice. They come with the straw and they have a little accent on the straw. Now these are not glass, they are plastic, but let me tell you, these will not last. I saw them in plenty of carts when I was shopping at the Dollar Tree. They're only $1.50, super cute, so make sure you grab yours. Now, forget about that Starbucks bear. Look, you can get your own Valentine's bear at Dollar Tree for $1.50. Now, these are plastic, but they did have bears, they had ducks and assorted animals, so make sure you check them out. They all come with the screw-on lid and the straw. Now, they even had one that was in the shape of a heart that screws on. I think that's neat. I don't even know if I've seen this before, but these are all just $1.50. And of course, they have a ton of different florals for Valentine's Day with roses and greenery. These are $1.75. We all know florals went up last year, but this is something that I spotted. The tall glass cylinder vases with the heart theme, those have come back as well. Those were featured over by the roses. Now, if you're looking for some men's boxer briefs in a Valentine's Day theme, they had a couple of pairs available in multiple sizes at Dollar Tree. I thought these were really fun. And they also had some socks too. So if you're looking for socks, definitely check these out. I know I have a lot of sock collectors that watch my channel. So yes, they do have Valentine socks. Now to put all your goodies in that you do find, make sure you grab one of these bags. They're $1.50 in that Valentine's Day theme. They did have dish towels as well, and I spotted 2 different two different styles. They have Cupid's Sweetheart Cafe with the dish towels. Now these are polyester. Now to match it, they did have these as well. They have the oven mitts and the pot holders to match. Now another style is this style. I really love this one with all of the little hearts on it. Really cute. Now here are the dish towels, and they also had those oven mitts and pot holders to match those as well. And if you need pool noodles, they have the Valentine's Day themed pool noodles out in all of the lavenders, pinks, and whites, and all the colors you would need to make any kind of crafts or DIYs with for $1.50. Now the Valentine's goodies continued on to the plus section, and I have to tell you, I was so impressed. These mailboxes, you guys, I thought I was impressed last year, but they are back in different styles, and I love it. These metal mailboxes are $5. I mean, Hobby Lobby could never. They're so really nice. So you can get them in pink, and they do have this one here in the classic style with a little latch on the bottom to open the bottom. This one is in a red color. Now you can get this same style of mailbox, slightly different, in a white as well. You can use these all year round if you DIY with them, or you can use them just to collect little notes. I just think that they are so cute, and for the size, for $5, is really such a great deal for the price. Another item I saw was this. So these are those little heart signs, and you can see that the sign kind of swings and changes. Now they do have this classic one in red and white with different signs. Now right behind it, they did have a pink one as well. So you could choose that pink one. That one also swings, you guys. These are $5 as well for these metal decor items. Now, right next to it, they have this bear. Now, the inside of this bear is a solid foam. But look, these are $5 in white and red. And the classic bundle of roses in the black container, these are back as well. I really do love these. They're $5, and you can get them in pink and red. There may be an ivory one too. The large trays are really great, and they're only $5. Now, the great thing about this is that you can use this as the base for your gift giving. Just take this tray, fill it up with all of your Valentine's goodies, wrap it in some cellophane, and there you have a complete gift from the Dollar Tree. Speaking of metal, they did have other metal things. They have the camper, loads of love. This was $5. They have the coordinating truck and even a wheelbarrow with a bunch of Valentine's envelopes on there. Super cute. These are just $5. These were super impressive. Oh my goodness. So these are almost like ceramic, but not quite. But listen, these are light up trees and they are battery operated. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. They are gorgeous. Now they have that pink with the red, and look, they even have a house. This also lights up. Really, really pretty, you guys. I think you should not pass this up. It's such a really great deal. Now, they also have it in red if you didn't want the pink version. So you can get pink and red, or you can take this and DIY with it. You can paint it down and make it gingerbread for the holidays. You can do anything you want to these. That's what I love about the things at Dollar Tree. You don't have to commit yourself to this. You guys, these are really, really nice. I hope that you guys get these in your stores as well, because they are such a really great deal. If you're looking for candles, they did not disappoint. They had a bunch of them with an iridescent finish like red amber, lilac blossom, passion fruit, and vanilla cashmere. So make sure you check those out for $5. And they even had more. They had this candied strawberry one. They have vanilla coconut on this one. And they even had raspberry tangerine with little hearts on the outside. Now, if you love the metal stands from Christmas, check it out. They have metal stands for Valentine's Day as well. So here's the conversation hearts, nice and stacked up. They even had a couple of different bears. I believe these are about 24 inches tall. And they're only $5. Now, these are really cute too. Now, they look like little balloons, but this is solid plastic. These also do take batteries, so I believe that they do light up. So that's really fun if you're decorating for Valentine's Day. If you're looking for some big heart-shaped pillows, they had those as well for $5. They did have 3 different designs to choose from at my store. The rose kissing balls are back. Now, these are probably one of my favorites, and I'm loving that they're still $3. You can get these in pink, you can get them in red and ivory. So many different uses for these rose balls. And if you're looking for a Valentine's Day rug, they have these really thick ones at the Dollar Tree for just $5. Now, I did only see 2 of them. They probably were picked over by the time I got there, but make sure you are on the hunt for these. Now, over to the regular items. First, I wanted to feature the 50% clearance on Christmas at Dollar Tree. This includes everything, you guys. So everything Christmas is 50% off. You can get your gift bags, you can get candy, you can get lots of decor and novelty items, even some wearables. I know I picked up the $3 sleep pants that they have for Christmas for $1.50. So everything is 50% off in Christmas. So make sure you check it out. Now, this even includes the plus section. So if you've been hesitant to buy from the plus section because of the price, check it out now. Everything there is 50% off, so you can get ready ahead of time for next year. I mean, check out this lantern. Remove the greenery and you have something you can use all year round. But at 50% off, you definitely want to scoop it up now while supplies last, because once it's gone, it is going to be gone. Now, for the new items that just arrived, check out this metal butterfly hook from the Birch and Vine collection. So they have these in white, silver, and gold. Brand new arrival. I've never seen Dollar Tree have these items before, and I love the layered 3D effect of these. These are just $1.25. They also have flowers that are metal, and if you look, they have little gold tips on each of the petals to give it a little accent. They have this ivory one. This one also has the little gold accent on the bottom, and then on the back they have a little hook where you can hang it up. Now, I also did find one that was like this dusty rose pink color. This is another one that they have with the gold accents. $1.25 for these beautiful pieces. Another decoration piece was this. Now, this is a hanging decor piece and it looks like a carved wood. You can get these in gray and white, and you can repurpose these or use them as is. Of course, I got them because I have an idea for them. But yes, $1.25 for these beautiful decor pieces that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Here's another Birch and Vine addition, and these are baskets, but these have handles on them. So all of the new ones have the handles on them, which I'm really loving. You can get them in all of the different colors and styles, and you can do so many things with these baskets. Put keys in them, phones, you could put cosmetics, you could throw some candy in there, loose change. You can even make a floral arrangement with some faux flowers in there. I mean, so many things you can do with these little handy baskets, and they're just $1.25. Check out these little trinket boxes that I spotted in home decor, $1.25. Look how gorgeous. So these are in fact glass. This one's a heart shape with a little bow on the lid. Really cute. Now, if you didn't want a heart shape, they also have a round shape as well with a little bow. Perfect for gift giving, keeping little jewelry pieces in. I mean, it really is all up to you for $1.25. Now, over in health and beauty, I found some new shower gels. I saw the Power Stick Toasted Honey. Never seen that. I also saw Vanilla Dream. And then when I kept looking, I found Enchanted Cherry, another new one. So be on the lookout for these new items. And now check this out. This is a shower cap, but this is by a company called Addie Lou. Never seen it. First of all, the packaging is really nice, so I knew it had to be a higher class item. I did purchase it. I love this shower cap, and it's only $1.25. Now, I did find a bunch of these makeup brushes, and they all come in really different colors, so you can choose which ones you want. Now, I have to mention, I do have many viewers who are visually challenged or who shop from home and just can't get out to see these items in person. So I do show many of my items sideways so they can view the full length, and you can pause and zoom and see all of the details on the bottle or package. And I'm always glad to help when possible. So that is why I turn these things sideways, and I mention this in the description box of every video. Now, these little foaming soaps are back, but from the reviews, they're not that great, and that must be why they have a full shelf left at the Dollar Tree. Here's another $1.25 item, so you could check this out. This is a Natural Scents Rosemary Hair Protection for Kids. That's another item I've never seen before. And check it out, Swipe Wipes, formerly Joe Boxer, has some new packaged wipes. They have the retinol face and body and the detoxifying face and body, 30 count packages, and they're just $1.25. And I finally found the new hand sanitizers. They just got put on the shelves when I walked in there. So this one is the Jasmine Dragon Fruit and the Brazilian Caramel. You guys, these just hit the shelves. I was so lucky to get them when I did. Now, this is marked with $5, but listen, these sunscreens in the plus section are all scanning for $1.25. Yes, these are not $5 as marked, and they weren't marked down in this section. This is another one of those unmarked deals. Now, I'm showing you here the barcode. In case you have the Dollar Tree app, you can use it to scan these barcodes and verify that, yes, these are $1.25. So if you're looking to stock up on these sunscreens, make sure you do it now. Now, I did find some new deodorants. So this is the Power Stick Men's Aluminum Deodorant, and this one is in Coconut Cove. And I also found another one that was Mountain Mist. I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree, and these are the only two scents that I did see at my store. If you're looking for a new water bottle, they did start stocking up those new water bottles. Now, this one has the fully open container, not the little flip cap lid. So I really appreciate that. And they had 3 different colors at my store so far. And I did finally find the tic-tac-toe wood boards. I have a project for this. I had a hard time finding tic-tac-toe, but these are $175 in the toy section. If you love Premier Protein, they did have the root beer float version. If you buy this, you know how expensive it is, but it's only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. In the hardware section, I found this ASI insulation tape. Now, there's 50 yards on this roll. Now, this is commonly used in AC ducts, but you can have multi-purpose uses for this for other projects as well, because this is only $1.50 for a 50-yard roll. Now, another thing that I found, and this one was in the plus section, another Libby container. So this one's a 46-ounce Libby container. It is $6, but it's freezer, microwave, and oven safe. So if you're looking for another container with a lid, make sure you check out that plus section. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more fun, amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you all find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and updates at the Dollar Tree. Now, if this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.